We'll be back. Where are we heading, baby?
Oh, our favorite place. Go pay property taxes.
Spending money.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Well, we just paid the taxes until I'm turning 65. Need a copy of my driver's license? Nope, you have to go to the appraisal district. Do that.
Why do they need your driver's license?
To prove that I'm turning 65.
For?
To reduce my property taxes because I'm a senior.
Oh, so we can pay less money next year.
But here's the problem.
Yeah.
Every time we go eat somewhere, they say, "Are you a senior?" And I said, "No, actually I'm a junior." So I never get the discounts. Now I know why.
That was painless.
It's always painless after you paid.
Well, you didn't have to pay here.
Well, that's why it's painless, because I didn't have to pay nothing there.
Well, you got the exemption done. That's all that matters.
Yep, old folks exemption.
Now we're heading to Wally World.
Oh, yeah, fun, Wally World.
We're home.
Yeah, finally.
Joy. All right. Looks like we're going to get some of this crap picked up. Look what we have.
Yeah, had to buy us a trailer.
Yep. Got a pretty big trailer. How
Yeah,
big is this one?
18 feet.
Oh, cool. Yep, we're going to go ahead and load it up. Get some yard work done. We do have, what was that, a chipper that we bought?
Yeah, chipper.
Yeah, we bought a chipper, but we're going to go ahead and get the big stuff, get all loaded, take it over to the landfill, and then we can get this nice and clean. Well, this is what we have in here so far. We're able to get all this brush up. That's from trimming trees that we did last year. And this is what we have so far. What you think, babe?
It's a lot.
Yeah.
Don't look like a lot, but it is.
Some of this we're gonna just put in the chipper shredder.
Oh yeah, most of that right there goes in the chipper.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of this wood from the deck.
Yeah.
This is all from the back deck, because when we did the front deck, we hauled it all off except for these steps right here.
Yeah, these were the front.
Yeah, these were the front. So all that's from the back, all 40 feet of the deck.
And the front deck wasn't that large, so we were able to put it in the bed of the truck before we bought our trailer.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a lot of wood.
Yeah, I can't imagine taking all that in a 5 foot. We had a 5.5 foot bed on the truck. That would be maybe like 10, 12 times.
Yeah.
So,
What do you think? It's gonna be what, a few trips?
yeah,
2,
2 trips.
3 maybe?
I can load it a lot more, but the problem is I get tired loading and then I unload.
Yeah.
It's heavy wood. It's a lot.
Mhm.
So
Well, we're retired. Take our time.
bigger time. I mean, and the dump is only like a mile away, so it's not far.
Mhm.
So we just load it up, go over there, dump it. Next day, load it up. Next day, go dump it. I don't care, however long it takes.
Yep.
So,
And you'll get to see that tomorrow.
we'll get her done.
Okay, it's another day,
Yep.
and we're gonna go ahead and head to the landfill and drop off that big load that we did.
Empty the trailer.
Yep.
On we go.
Yay, we got rid of it.
Yeah, back from the dump.
Yep.
Our first run anyway.
We got several more,
Ooh, yeah.
but
We're gonna pile it up.
yeah. That was pretty nice that you had somebody help you.
Yeah.
You
Yeah, the
know?
guy came over and helped me unload
Uh-huh.
everything. I mean, it went pretty quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. If
And
I had a
then-
chair, I would have just laid it out and told him, you don't have to worry about
Yeah.
sweeping it. It's all good. I'll get it when when we get back.
And how far is it? It's not too far from us.
It's like a mile.
Yeah.
Maybe a mile and a quarter.
Yep.
So,
there and back, all done. And then we can get rid of the rest of it, so.
Yep.
Sweet.
Yeah.